Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about a small but important thing that confuses many English learners, the difference between maybe and may be. These two look very similar, but they are not the same. Today, we're going to make it super clear. I have a good friend with me. Please welcome Sydney. She's from the USA, and she's a great English teacher, too. Hey, Sydney, how's your morning going?
Hey, John. Pretty good, thanks. I had my coffee and I was actually thinking about this topic today. A lot of my students mix up maybe and may be. It's one of those small things that can change the meaning of a sentence.
Exactly. I remember when I was learning Spanish, there were similar confusing words. So let's help our viewers understand this clearly. Sydney, can you start by telling us what maybe means?
Sure. Maybe is one word. It means perhaps or it's possible. We use it when we're not sure about something. For example, maybe it will rain tomorrow. That means I'm not sure, but it's possible.
Okay, that's simple. What about may be? That's two words, right?
Yes. May be is two separate words, may and be. It's like saying might be or could be. It's a verb phrase. Let me give you an example. It may be cold outside. This means it's possible that the weather is cold right now.
Interesting. So they can sometimes mean almost the same thing.
Yes, sometimes they are very close in meaning, but the grammar is different. That's why students get confused.
Let's do some examples. Can you give us a sentence with maybe?
Sure. Maybe we can go to the movies tonight. This means I'm suggesting it, but I'm not sure.
Got it. Now with may be.
The movie may be sold out. This means it's possible that there are no more tickets.
Interesting. Let me try one. Maybe I'll call you later. That sounds natural.
Yes, that's correct. But you cannot say, I may be call you later. That's wrong. It has to be, I may call you later, or maybe I'll call you later.
Oh, that's a good point. So the structure changes.
Exactly. Maybe is usually followed by a subject and a verb, like maybe plus subject plus will plus verb. But may be is often used with it, he, she, they, etc., like it may be difficult.
Let's make this clearer with more examples. What if someone asks, are you coming to the party?
You can answer, maybe. That's short and natural. Or you can say, I may be late. That means it's possible I'll arrive late.
Nice. I think I have a funny story. Last week I was texting my friend. I wrote, maybe we meet at 7. My friend replied, do you mean maybe or may be? I had to check twice.
That happens a lot. Even native speakers sometimes think about it when writing.
Really? Even natives?
Yes, especially in writing. In speaking, we usually say it fast and it sounds clear, but when we write, we need to be careful.
Okay, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence and you tell me if it should be maybe or may be.
Sounds fun. Go ahead.
It blank rain this afternoon.
That should be, it may be rain this afternoon. No, wait, it may rain this afternoon. Actually, both can work, but the most natural is it may rain or maybe it will rain.
See, it's tricky.
A little. Another good test, if you can replace it with perhaps, then it's probably maybe. For example, perhaps I'll go equals maybe I'll go.
That's a really good tip. What about this sentence? The answer blank wrong.
The answer may be wrong. That's correct, because may be is the verb.
Perfect. Let's do one more. Blank, we should try a different restaurant.
Maybe we should try a different restaurant. That's the right one.
Great. I think our viewers are getting it now.
You know what's funny? My student once wrote in an email, maybe I can come tomorrow. I had to correct it to maybe I can come tomorrow.
Poor student, but that's exactly why we're making this episode.
True. Small mistakes like this can make your English look less confident, especially in writing or exams.
So for everyone listening, here's a simple way to remember. Maybe equals one word equals perhaps. May be equals two words equals might be or could be.
And always check if you can replace it with perhaps. If yes, use maybe.
That's a really good tip.
Also, practice writing 5 sentences every day using both. That helps a lot.
I agree. Small daily practice makes a big difference.
Definitely.
Well, that was a really useful conversation. Thank you so much for joining me today, Sydney. You made it so clear and easy to understand.
Thank you for having me, John. I hope our friends watching feel more confident now.
All right, everyone, that's our episode on the difference between maybe and may be. Remember, maybe equals perhaps, may be equals might be or could be. Pause the video and try making your own sentences with both. Write them in the comments. If you like this episode, please like the video and subscribe for more clear English explanations. See you in the next one. Keep practicing. I'm John from the Real English Podcast. Take care and bye for now.